Are you tired of boring product demos? It's time for an upgrade. Meet Livestorm, your solution for engaging and personalized sales experiences. Livestorm offers smarter demos for better deals. You can transform your demo into a customized experience for any number of participants. Whether you're speaking to one stakeholder or multiple teams, accelerate your sales with effective product demos. Create professional, interactive live product demos that captivate your prospects. You get email cadences for effortless follow-up, syncing all your contact data seamlessly with your CRM. With Livestorm, you have all the tools to craft an impactful live product demo. Send unlimited customized reminders and follow-up emails, and easily create optimized registration pages for conversions. Share links effortlessly during events to collect insights. Integrate with CRMs like Salesforce and HubSpot with ease, managing your demos from start to finish. Enhance engagement with features like customizable room designs, file sharing, and polls. Engage your audience with real-time polling to gauge interest and interaction. Track conversions and analyze event engagement data with powerful dashboard reports. Effortlessly manage your contacts and export data from one convenient location. Livestorm is perfect for various use cases. Enhance customer training or facilitate live Q&As easily using built-in tools. Join over 5,000 organizations that trust Livestorm for their online events. Transform your approach to product demos today. To create a great live product demo, understand your audience and their needs. Define clear objectives and highlight key features and benefits. Keep your demo concise and engaging with interactive elements like polls and Q&A sessions. Livestorm is the best product demo software because of its user-friendly interface and interactive engagement tools. Top companies like Sendinblue and Customer.io trust Livestorm for effective product demonstrations. Don't miss out on Livestorm's elegance and simplicity in creating beautiful landing pages that enhance customer communication. Try Livestorm for free and discover how easy it is to host engaging webinars and meetings in just 3 minutes. No credit card required, no software to install. Sign up today.